Working with Smalltalk programming and have CCN source files from Cincom development tools, this format contains Smalltalk code for the Cincom VisualWorks or Object Studio environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Cincom Smalltalk source code files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling CCN files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. Contains source code written in the Smalltalk programming language for the Cincom VisualWorks development environment. Users typically encounter this file when working on or compiling applications with VisualWorks, needing to view, edit, or debug the object-oriented code within their project. The CCN file is a plain text file adhering to the Smalltalk syntax. This design choice ensures maximum portability and compatibility with version control systems like Git. It allows developers to easily read and modify the code using any standard text editor, facilitating collaboration and code review processes. The initial software setup links the CCN file directly to Cincom VisualWorks by Cincom Systems, Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your CCN file and choose Open With. If Cincom VisualWorks is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the CCN file opens. If your CCN file will not open, do not worry. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the CCN error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening in Cincom Smalltalk. Install Cincom VisualWorks or Object Studio from Cincom Systems and load CCN files through the File menu. The Smalltalk environment provides full access to source code with class browsers, method editors, debugging tools, and integrated execution environment for testing and modifying code. Next, editing in text editors. Open CCN files in any text editor like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ for viewing and basic editing. Some editors offer Smalltalk syntax highlighting through extensions. While editing is possible without Cincom Smalltalk testing, requires loading code into the proper Smalltalk environment for execution. Finally, trying Pharo or Squeak. Pharo and Squeak are open-source Smalltalk environments that may import some Cincom code through file and operations. While not fully compatible, they provide free Smalltalk development for learning and personal projects. Code may need adjustment for Cincom-specific extensions when migrating between environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.